Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a very tasty, quick fix breakfast toast that I know you're going to love. Step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Let's get straight to today's video. I have my loaf of bread here. So I'm going to remove some pieces out. So I'm going to be working with these 6 slices of bread. So I'm thinking of using these to make circular holes on my bread. But then, as you can see, it's not going to fit. I found this. Whatever you're using to make a circular hole in your bread, just make sure that it's the size of your bread. So all I'm going to do is to make a hole. And what I love with this is because it has like a rough edge that will just pop in and then make the circular shape out of this bread without any struggle. I've been using it to make donuts and I love it. Okay, so I'll just try to apply a little pressure on it and then I'll just swing it around. Is it swing it? I'll move it in a circular motion like this. Yeah, to get the circular part out. I felt like I should have bought a little bit bigger bread or a sandwich bread, but we are going to work with what we have here, you guys. Okay, I'll set it aside and then I'm going to work with another one really quick. There we go. So this is what you should be having here, you see. Right here I have a piece of cabbage and then I have one small carrot here that I already washed. All I need is to peel it. Let me do that really quick. So for the cabbage, it's a leftover. I left this for this video. Yeah, for the cabbage it's clean. I don't really need to wash it. So I'm going to go ahead and just chop it into a little bit tiny bits. Yeah, I want it to be a little thin. If you just found my channel today, check out my other videos on my channel, and you guys kindly subscribe to support me to create more videos like this. Yeah, they're very simple and easy and they're perfect for dinner family. Yeah, check my playlist on my channel. I have lots of videos that you're going to love there. And then I have my bowl over here. I'm going to add the cabbage in. And you guys, I bought a new board. It's very cute and I love it. So for this recipe, it doesn't require a lot of vegetables. That's why I used that tiny piece of cabbage. And it actually depends with the amount of bread that you're going to be making. I already peeled my carrot and then I washed it. I'm going to go ahead and use this coarse part of my grater to grate it. I'm going to transfer all the vegetables over here to my silver bowl. Yeah, so I can have space. And then I'm going to set it aside just for a few minutes. So right here I have 4 eggs. eggs at room temperature. I'm going to break my eggs to this bowl over here. Oh. And then I'm just going to go ahead and beat my egg. I'm going to add my egg over here to my vegetables. Another thing that I'm going to add in is a little bit of chopped coriander. Okay, that's just enough. Some salt to taste. I'm going to add in some paprika in. You can use pepper, fresh pepper, red pepper, green pepper, or yellow pepper, whichever one you prefer. Go ahead and add it in. A quarter tablespoon will be enough. For the black pepper, I'm going to go in with a pinch. Just a pinch. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. So my egg veggie mixture is ready. I'm going to fire up my stove and then I'm going to add my pan. So all I'm going to do is to grease my pan. You can use cooking oil for that. You can use butter or you can use margarine. For me, as usual, I'm going to be using margarine. So here's the thing, whether it's a non-stick pan or it's a silver pan, you're going to be using low heat. Yeah, for me I prefer using low heat to make my toast. And then I'm going to add my piece of bread and then I'm going to add another piece. So my pan can only accommodate two. I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetable mixture in that circular part that you can see on the bread. There we go. Just make sure when you're doing this, it's a little tidy. So your bread doesn't become so messy. This side too. I'm now going to go ahead and just add these circular parts to the bread and then I'll just press on it a little bit like that. I need the bread grow. And then all I'm going to do is to toast this for at least 2 to 3 minutes each side. So all I'm going to be doing is checking on it so it doesn't burn. And I'm going to make sure that it doesn't stick on the pan. Let me try to give them a little shake. I love how this is coming along. So I feel like the first side is now ready. Let me set it aside for a few minutes. I'm going to grease this other side of the pan. Let me just remove all of them. And then I'm going to add my bread back. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And this other one goes in again. This other side, I mean. So the reason why I love toasting my bread with margarine is because you all know margarine goes well with bread and all that. But you can use butter too. If you're using cooking oil, the cooking oil is going to make them extra crispy and that is not bad too. We want the crispiness. All the crispiness that it can get. We want all of that. Just make sure you press on it so it doesn't have raw eggs in the inside. I'm sure you don't want to eat raw eggs. Okay, you guys, so these are just ready. Oh my god, I love the brownness in this, the golden brown color. Oh, okay. I'll turn off my stove and then I'll set them aside, and then I'll do another trip. After each and every trip, I'm going to make sure that I clean my pan. For that, I'm going to be using a tissue paper to quickly wipe it up as I'm doing the video over here. Yeah, these pieces that are remaining in your pan are going to be burnt or something like that. So, you don't want that on your fresh toast, do you? Grease the pan. I'll add my bread. So you can try to move it around with your spoon, like what I'm doing here, just to make sure it doesn't stick on your pan. I'll give this a turn. I don't know if the first side is ready. Check on this other one. Half of this pan, and then this other side too. Let me set it on top of this first. I'll move my butter around to spread it on this space. Add my toast, flip it. Oh my god, the color is just so beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to repeat the same with this other side. Flip it. So you have to press on it, apply a little pressure so there is no raw egg inside. Okay, so here is the thing. If you are using a sticky pan or a pan that gets hot really fast, I think that's the right word for it, just make sure that you regulate your heat. You can turn off your stove, yeah, so that your toast doesn't burn. That is a trick to making a good toast if you're using a pan in the stove for your toast. So I hope you got that part. This is just ready. I'll set it aside. And if you feel like your pan is dry, you can grease it again. Add a little bit butter to the sides. So guys, our toast is ready, and this is how this looks up close. Look at that. It's very beautiful. I made it with love. If you're using margarine for this, make sure you watch your salt. So I'm going to be giving this a taste test. Oh my god, look at this. So as usual, I'm going to be serving this with some tea. So you can eat this for the evening, or you can serve it for breakfast. Whatever you want to do, just do with it, provided you love it and you make it with love. I hope you like this particular video, and check out my other quick fix recipe on my channel. I have a playlist on that. You can check out the other recipes that you're going to love over there, and check out my breakfast recipes. Yeah, they're very good. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this particular video, and I hope you like it, and I hope you try it at home. I know your family is going to love it. Thanks for watching again, and see you in my next video. Bye.